Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
É só jogando da porta. E as gostosas jogam raba, só joga o cartão pronto. E as bandidas jogam raba, cavalgada. Fica só safada, rouba cavalgada. Fica só safada.
At your slowed clip ready. Duplicate the clip, then go AI remix on the duplicated clip. Paste this prompt, which I show at end, then edit it at the top, where it says team name, by writing the team you want. Edit it a bit lower, where it says team name, by writing that same team. Once the clip generates, duplicate the first clip again, then go AI remix and paste the same prompt. Edit it at the top by writing another team name. Do same for lower part of the prompt. Overlay the generated clip and hold on it to slide under first clip. Shorten the overlay by start until next beat. Keep overlaying each generated clip, then sliding under first clip. And shortening overlay by start until next beat. Export it. Import the exported clip into a new project, then add keyframe start and keyframe on next beat. Zoom into clip on second keyframe. Add keyframe on next beat, then make clip normal size. Keep adding keyframes on each beat and alternating between this zoom process. Go graphs, then double tap on linear, then add 2 beats and make a similar graph to me. Go effects, then angel. Go object, then all videos. Go at the start of a beat and make your effect start here, then go at start of next beat and make effect end here. Add keyframe start and end, then put intensity 0 on last keyframe. Go graphs, then quad out.
Alma cavalgada,